In this video, I'm going to teach you how to transfer Android contacts to iPhone 14 or 14 Pro Max. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. Regardless of which Android smartphone that you have, you will be able to follow along and transfer your contacts. They will be synchronized between your Android device and the new iPhone. So what you have to do is use a Gmail account. So for this method, you need to synchronize your contacts between Gmail for both devices. So if you don't have a Gmail account set up, go ahead and make sure that it is connected to the Android device, and eventually I'm going to teach you how to connect it to the iPhone. Open the Contacts app first and access the menu. You have to find the Manage Contacts option. For Samsung, it is going to be on these little three dots here, roughly at the middle of your screen, but depending on which smartphone you have, it could be three lines at the top left or even the top right. Basically, find the option to manage the contacts inside of the app. When you choose Manage Contacts, you will find Export Contacts. As the name suggests, this allows you to transfer them elsewhere alongside the original Contacts app. So when you choose Export Contacts, you can select all of them or choose specific ones that you would like to send over. Once you have selected the contacts that you would like to transfer, you will now be able to choose from various locations such as the SIM card, the internal storage of the device. Ignore those, and the one that you are looking for is Gmail. So you have to export them to your Google account. If you don't see Gmail on this list, go to your phone settings and make sure that it is properly connected. With this done, on your iPhone, you are now going to be linking the Gmail account. So open the settings, go into the mail category, and you will find accounts. In here, you have to find the option to add a new account under mail. When you choose add, you will find various different services, including Google. So choose Google from this list of services and then sign in with your Gmail account. When you sign in with your credentials, you can now tap on the Google account that you just added, and this will bring up a lot of options to synchronize, including your contacts. So just make sure that contact synchronization is enabled, and with this done, you are good to go. Your contacts will now appear on the Android device and also the iPhone. And keep in mind that the old contacts that you have on your iPhone will still remain. I hope I was able to help you on how to transfer Android contacts to iPhone 14 or iPhone 14 Pro Max. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.